Great screams. He's working out. Look at the control. Boom. Ooh, he's been double bouncing it as well.
Rape screams.
Joe's just asked me to watch him bench, so I'm watching from this side. He's probably the best looking guy in the gym. My girlfriend even said she'll marry him when I die from kidney disease.
Put 3 plates on.
Casual.
Horrific pain from rape.
Screw gym wear. Has anyone seen Lee Smith? Question mark.
I have.
Gay Green's about to do his set.
Again.
It's like a pro hormone. Do you get it? Easy. Praying between sets. Om. Van, eh? Hello?
We got 84 and then we have 77.
No, it was on 77 originally. No, it was on 77. Easy. That isn't paint. The homosexual behind me. Really. I was right. It is a homosexual.
Come on, bring it in. Right, squeeze, come on, squeeze.
Easy.
Close to middle count when you grip.
Super set.
Stretch and squeeze all the way out. Yeah. Proper hyperextend at the top.
Easy, Cal.
You intended to lick it.
No way. No ball patch there.
Oh, look.
Bob. Just stand in the middle, Cal. East versus West. England versus the Middle East.
That was a chess session at Gen Fit, Team Gen. Myself, Dawson, Joe, these guys.
Flex it. Flex it.
Boom.
Flex it.
That's really nice.
Chess games.
Well, apparently this is really nice.
It's okay. You don't